Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics on your website. I'm going to show you how to install it on both a WordPress website and an HTML website. So the very first thing you have to do is just go to google.com/analytics and either create an account or sign in. I'm going to quickly just sign in using an account I don't really use too frequently. And from here, go to the admin section and click on create a new account. Type in the account information, so I'm going to make one for Hampton Dental Center. And just grab the URL of the website. Just fill out the rest of the information here. Alright, so it's gonna take you to the tracking code page and the tracking info, and you're gonna get two pieces of information. One is your tracking code or your tracking ID, and the second thing is your actual code. So what I'm going to have you do at this point is log into your WordPress website. If you have an HTML website, just sit tight, we'll get there in a couple minutes. So go to your WordPress website. WordPress is great because it's pretty easy to use. Most of the times you're going to have a theme, and your theme options might actually have an area for tracking code. So if you do have an area for your tracking code, grab your script right here, copy it, and then paste it. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it would be to actually go to the plugins area and add a new plugin. I recommend you add Easy Analytics, nice and easy to use. And you can see that this one is installed. So once you install it and activate it, you can go to the plugin area and just quickly copy this code up here, paste it in. One thing I always like to do is I always like to check to make sure that it's been installed. So this website's still being developed, but you can just go right click and click View Page Source and then search Analytics. And you can see that our tracking code got installed here, so we know that it works, or we know that it at least got installed. Now we just got to make sure that it's actually tracking. So I go back to Google Analytics and I click Reporting. And if you go to the real-time overview, you can see that there's someone on the site, so that way we know it worked. Now if you have an HTML website, what we're going to want you to do is go back to your analytics page. Let's go back to where we were. So you just go to the tracking info and go to the tracking code, and then grab this script right here and copy that entire thing. Then what we're going to want you to do is go to you're going to have some kind of editor. It might be through FTP, it might be through another method, but you just find the head area of your HTML page and just paste in that script, and you're going to have to do that on all of the different pages of your HTML website. You can go back to Analytics, go to the reporting, and you can in real time make sure that the website actually installed the code. Now once you have the code installed, you're going to be able to collect some data from people who are visiting your website. So let it sit for maybe a couple weeks just to get some data, and then you can start checking out the different features that Analytics, or the different pieces of information that Analytics measures. If you watch my next video on how to actually read Google Analytics, I'm actually going to show you a quick 5-minute tutorial on some of the things I look at when I'm reading a customer's analytics. If you don't really feel comfortable, or if you want my opinion, please feel free to install Google Analytics, and then you can make me a user. So if you go to the admin area and you go to user management, you can actually add permission. So just throw in my email. It's Nasheel, Nasheel, at connect, CONNECT, thedoc.com, and just put read and analyze. That's great. Notify this user, and then you can add me. From that, point on, we can get in touch and I can actually go in and read your analytics and tell you how people are engaging with your website, whether people effectively like your website and are doing what they're supposed to be doing. If they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing, then we should definitely talk and we can see if I can help you out. So again, that's a video on how to install Google Analytics, and please let me know if I can help you in any way. Our team at Connect the Doc is really dedicated to helping you grow your business. So thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to speaking.